You ever feel like you're doing everything right, but nothing's working? Like you're showing up, you're putting in the effort, and still, crickets? That's not failure. That's the test before the breakthrough. Growth doesn't feel good in the moment. It feels like doubt. It feels like pressure. It feels like you're going the wrong way. But guess what? Pressure creates focus. Doubt sharpens belief. And when you're walking uphill, it means you're elevating. Most people quit right before the shift, right before things start to click. So if you're tired, if you're frustrated, if you're wondering why it's so hard, good. It means you're building something real. Keep going. Because everything you're pushing through is pushing you toward the person you're meant to become. You got this. Let's go.